Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Carolyn and her clothes. And of course, I got a few more items I wanted to share with you. So, the first item I have on is this White House Black Market blazer. I've been wanting this blazer a long time and it was pretty expensive. I think the retail price is $215 if I'm not mistaken. I waited for it to go on sale. It went on sale for $149. They were having a special, spend $100 to 20 or 25 off. And then on top of that, I had rewards. So I finally bit the bullet and I purchased this. I got it for $109. I'll come a little bit closer. It's like tweed with navy in it and this like a purplish color. It has a little bit of white speckled in as well. This is what we call the lady style jackets with the little Chanel type of inspired, flat pockets here. Very on trend. I only purchased this jacket, and you're gonna say, wow, Carolyn, that sweater goes so well with it. When I purchased this, I had in my cart the matching sweater that went with this, and it made the thing over $200 now. So I was like, I really didn't want to spend that kind of money. So I said, you know what? Let me get the jacket. I can always later buy a sweater or something that matches underneath, even though the sweater looked really good with it. The sweater that I am wearing now was slotted on my list to donate, all right? I was like, for whatever reason, I wasn't pulling the sweater, wasn't wearing it. And I'm like, do I like this sweater anymore? Well, guess what? Now that I have it paired with this jacket, I really like it. So this is a warning to all of you. Do not get rid of anything from your wardrobe unless you really, really don't like it. It doesn't fit anymore and it's not anything that you care to have. Be really careful about over purging so that you don't end up with repurchasing the same thing later on. So this is a keeper, as is the sweater, which I've had for several years now. I am keeping it because I think it's a perfect match with this jacket. This jacket is in a regular size 2 petite. So regular size 2, not a petite. And my girlfriend says, oh, you're gonna have to roll up the sleeves. And no, the sleeves fit perfectly on me on this one. So if you're a little bit taller, you might actually have a problem with this jacket in terms of sizing. This one fits me perfect in a regular size. I paired them with my trousers, sailor style pants, also from White House Black Market, and my little Vince Camuto little booties that are ankle booties that are out of date, and nobody would know that because my pants cover the bulk of them. And this is how I would wear this outfit. All right, give me a minute, I'll pop on the next item for you. Okay, next up is a very fun outfit, and you're not even seeing the item that I purchased. So I purchased from Evereve these cut from the cloth sparkle pants. They're in the color champagne, they're coated, and yes, they're shiny. They have sparkle to them. So again, they're color champagne. So you think of literally the color of champagne with some sparkle and shimmer to them. So if you don't like that, these pants are not from you. I'll include all links below in case you are interested in these. These would make a great New Year's Eve pants. I decided to go to with a monochromatic look and go full out sparkle. So I paired with it this White House Black Market sleeveless sparkle. I don't know if you can catch the sparkle in this. Sleeveless turtleneck that I got last year. And I said, okay, I'm gonna be cold with this outfit. And I put on my new champagne moto jacket in the satin that I got from Stitch Fix from Sanctuary. And I put on my little mules that are also from Sanctuary in this neutral color. And yeah, I don't know where I'm going with this, but this outfit, in my opinion, is fun. This would be a great New Year's Eve outfit. Great going out to some sort of holiday party type of outfit. No idea where I'm going. I need a better social life. Somebody invite me to go somewhere because this is a great outfit. Okay, that is it for now. I'm still waiting for one more item in the mail, and I'll show it to you as soon as I get it. One more thing. I forgot to tell you, I did size up in these cut from the cloth pants. I went with the size 2 versus a size 0, which I usually am in their jeans, and I did that because 1, they're coated, and 2, they're also a skinny style, and I didn't want them really super tight on my legs, and I think that was the right choice. Otherwise, they would have been skin tight on my legs. There's plenty of room in the waist, but it is not gaping that much. It is very comfortable to put on. And it does have a button fly. So if you don't like button flies, I wanted to alert you that too, okay? All right, hang tight and then you'll see my new item. Okay, so it's been a couple days later. It took me forever to get this thing through Evereve. I don't know why this one took so long, but it was about 10 days from date of order before I got this. So I finally got it, this sweater vest. I thought this was cute. I don't own anything Houndstooth other than a pair of pants, but I think after the sweater vest, that's enough Houndstooth for me. This vest is 63% acrylic, the rest is polyester, or 37% polyester. Not my favorite combo, but I do have to say it is soft, so it's not scratchy. Yeah, I mean, it is cute. I paired it with a pair of lighter wash straight leg jeans from Mother and my black loafers. I decided to do a little bit lighter since the top part was darker, and I have underneath just a snap button Henley that I also got from Evereve probably a year ago. And yeah, this is definitely something I'm keeping. I'm excited to add this to my closet. And that is it for this week's shopping haul. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. I'm free. Give me a thumbs up and click that notification bell so you get notified of future videos from me. I do shopping hauls and try-ons, unboxings, and yeah, I just like to share my love of fashion with all of you. Take care. Until next time.